My name is Michael Hackett. The relationship we have with Gardens of Babylon, there's no one better. Babylon has a level of experience that I didn't find in any of their competitors. When I came to them, I said, I'd like to have it just like drop out of the sky into this landscape. And they knew what I was talking about. It just turned out perfectly. There's something here blooming 9 months of the year. We were so satisfied with how things came together, the colors, the design, and you can walk through our yard and each time you turn a corner, it's like, wow. There's a relationship you immediately build with the people of the Gardens of Babylon. So many things that they did I didn't even expect. You would think that those employees own the company. That's how important they felt their work was. I don't know of anybody else who does it like they do it. I recommend it because I trust them. I recommend it because of their creativity, the quality of their work, attention to the details, and the value it brings to your home. We could not have found a better landscape organization.